Since this will permanently erase local records, reasonably it can't be done in just one click. You need to type the whole thing. Notice it's also case sensitive. Confirm and you're back to the welcome screen. To add a new provider to Axis, go to the top right and click Add New Provider. Enter their full name and credentials. Double-check spelling. Click Save. Done. They are active, integrated, and ready to go. Upload your clinic logo, add your name, address, phone, and email, so every printout looks branded.